The morning breeze swept gently as Bluey skipped into the park, her eyes sparkling with excitement. She shouted, "Bingo, hurry up," while waving her paw toward the swings that glistened under the bright sunshine. Bingo rushed over, panting, "I'm coming," her giggle ringing with eager joy. Bluey leapt onto the swing, kicking her legs high. "Push me higher," she cried with thrilled energy. Bingo pushed hard, the swing soared. Bluey squealed, "I can almost touch the clouds," her voice glowing with amazement. 5 seconds later Coco trotted in. "Wow, you're flying," her tail wagging with curiosity. "Hop on the slide," Bluey shouted, and soon Coco was zooming down, her laughter shaking the ground with happiness. Then Winton arrived carrying a ball. "Let's play catch," he barked with excitement. The pups formed a circle, tossing, fumbling, chasing, their giggles echoing across the park like music of fun. Bluey dove to catch the ball, rolled dramatically, and popped up cheering, "Got it," while everyone clapped with joyful pride. 10 seconds later Muffin joined, eyes wide. "Let's play tag," she yelled, tagging Bluey and running like a rocket. Bluey dashed after her, Bingo screamed with playful fear, Coco tumbled over, Winton hid behind a tree, and the chase turned into a whirlwind of laughter. Mom and Dad watched from a bench, smiling warmly. They could play all day, Mom whispered, her heart glowing with tender love. As the sun dipped lower, the pups flopped onto the grass, tired but smiling. Bluey sighed, "Best day in the park," Bingo nodded, "I never want it to end," and Coco added, "Let's do it again tomorrow," their voices dreamy with hopeful joy. Bluey peeked at the camera, tail wagging. If our fun in the park made you smile, drop a like, hit subscribe, and join us for more happy adventure.